Knocked the guy down, kicked him in the face. I seen blood fly and he died. I was like, ooh. Oh no. We don't any. Not that. That figures. Yeah, I'll probably be home more today now. We'll have to see how it goes. You should have kept moving. My bad, dude. I was trying to save you. I think it went through him. I did. I shot one time and he fell over. I was like, well, God, okay. That's what happened to me the other day. You got 3 people behind you, including me. There's somebody behind me. They must have. You can tell me somebody behind me. They all died. I watched 2 of them die. Nobody was paying attention to themselves. The guys ran up and started stabbing them. Like, what the fuck? I saved that one guy. I thought the guy in the green was a teammate, so I didn't shoot him. And he stabbed my teammate. I was like, what the fuck? Wait, okay, never mind. Jeez. Jeez. Who the fuck are we playing with? Some of them on console, which is fine. But... I went in a weird way myself, so it's okay. We're already on it. We're already destroying it. What are you talking about? I can't help but you heard, man. Behind you. Yeah, I was reloading. Yeah. I'll eventually figure it out. If you run from those dudes, they're just gonna charge you and kill everybody around you. So I fucking turn to face it. At least I can fight some now. Oh, yeah. They don't know the map. Oh, he teleported in my face as soon as I shot him. Fuck, okay. Careful. They teleport. That's the stupidest goddamn sight. You don't even shoot at anything, you just shoot at the fucking collar of fire there. I don't pay attention. He just don't pay attention at all. They're fucking oblivious. I watched, yeah. I was looking the complete opposite way and turned around and happened to see him. I was like, well, I guess I'll shoot him. No. I'm alive. What is the first time playing Frenzy? God. That was first time playing Frenzy? Just curious. They fucking suck at it. You didn't... About who? Nobody's shooting you. Might stab you. He see get shot in the back. I was like, what? Bahoo! Nobody shot you. This man seen somebody teleport and just shot through the little poof of smoke that we teleport. Like, you know, that's not where the fuck he's at. He fucking went somewhere else. Yeah. Actually put the goddamn dot on somebody, it'd probably help. Oh my god, have you watched him play?
I need to reload.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah, like a 4 times.
Let's go. It's clear. I'm up. Wait, they're coming back. They're going to attack.
Back.
Yep, that's why I'm over here. Let me know if everybody dies.
Oh shit.
Where did that guy teleport from? He teleported out of nowhere. Fuck for you! I was like, oh, that's okay. Jeez. What's this? God. What is this guy looking at? Dumbass kept running back and forth in front of me. I'll time it and just put a couple on your chest. Oh, he fucking died. I think it was his buddy. No, never mind. You caught that guy in the face before he exploded, but he exploded anyway. I don't know what the hell he thought he was gonna kill. I just don't trust these people on my fucking right, so I'm trying to keep eye over there more than y'all side. That right there is why they all fucking ran. This is a really uneventful last round here. Well, that started off very uneventful. I don't know. I came in last, but I didn't. I died 4 times apparently. What? No, I died 3 times. It's lying to me, Pang. It changes on my other screen. Oh, there it goes. Okay. How many times you die? Oh, damn. It only says 3 on this one. I didn't play the. Yeah, we did. We lost. That's right.